Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Rosanna. Today I'm going to take you guys along with me as we give this bathroom a makeover. So I found this really old picture of what it originally looked like. The only thing is that the cabinet doors were off, but you were able to see the color. So you can see it has really old tile still and or tile flooring. So here we've already painted the cabinets white. We got some new countertops. And then most recently, we just did the flooring. So the next step was to do some painting. As you can see, there's a lot of patches of touch-up paint that didn't match. And then there's some areas where it just doesn't have paint, which was like here behind the toilet. And then you'll see where up by the light fixture, it had like a different color as well. So I just wanted to give this bathroom a really clean and bright new color. So I ended up going with like a white. Honestly, I don't remember the color that we chose, but it was just like a basic kind of white color. And I wanted it to feel just really clean and brighten it up because this color that's in here now, it wasn't really like a dark color, but depending on the lighting or the time of day, it would have almost like a little, sometimes it'd be a little bit pink, like undertone, I guess. So here is what it looks like now that it's getting freshly painted. This is the new color, and you can see here my husband is just doing some touch up here on the very top. We took down the previous light fixture just so that we can make sure that we paint that whole area, and then also because I wanted to replace that. So I ended up reusing my same shower curtain rings and the same shower curtain rod. All I did was give them a nice little spray paint, and I would just say if you did try something like this, either give it a second coat, because honestly I only did one. And I noticed that with the shower curtain rod and the rings, actually, they started to chip. So either it would be a second coat or at least like it would need like a finish. So that's where I say I messed up on. And then also for the medicine cabinet, it's really, really old. And so it was starting to have some like rust. So I just gave it a nice clean spray paint with the same color. I just used white. And this is what the rings came out looking like. I really like the color. I feel like I've used this color on so many things before and I just love it. For the shower curtain itself, I usually go, of course, with like a more neutral, either beige, tan, or white shower curtain. But this time I went with this really pretty green color. I had seen this at Target. I want to say maybe I've had it for probably 2 months already, and when I seen it I was like, yes, I love this color, let me just try to add some color rather than just always going with those neutral colors, at least for the bathroom. And what I had envisioned was like the gold with some greens, and so far I think it's looking good. Everything is coming out really nice. And now for the cabinet door handles, these were what I've had for quite some time, which were the black. And when we had gotten our cabinets painted, I want to say that was in 2021, but you can see some of the white spray paint on them, so that's how long it's been there. So I went ahead and replaced them with these more of an antique bronze color. They're the same ones that I've used in my kitchen. I had actually only 2 extra ones, so that was perfect because that's all I needed for the bathroom. So I went ahead and used that. So once pretty much everything was already kind of finished up, I was looking at the bathroom, and this window, I just thought I felt like it was really missing something. I'm like, if I add a curtain, it just looks bare. It looked plain and simple. So I thought about adding a frame to it, and That's why you kind of see us doing it after we've already painted, because the idea didn't come into play until once the bathroom was already painted. So this is what it's looking like. It still does need to get painted. I have not done that, so you won't see the final look in this video, but I'll give you guys an update on some future things that still need to happen here. But I love the way that this came out.
That's the rule. That's 5 minutes. Take a break. It's like when they're trying to tell stories and they don't stop laughing. Yeah.
Alright, I'm trying now. I have no idea what got into me there. I just could not stop laughing. My arm was hurting from trying to reach over and put in those light bulbs and everything. And so all of a sudden I think from my arm hurting, I just started laughing, probably because of the pain. And so that's the only reason I kept that in, is just because to show you guys, you know, some of the things that happen that usually get cut out in a video. But moving right along, the other little small clip that I showed you guys, my husband replaced the faucet. So we took out the black one and then replaced it with like a gold one. And then I'm just filling up a jar here. This jar is so pretty, and it was only like, I want to say $4.95 at Hobby Lobby. So I ended up getting 2 of them, and I used one for the cast iron soap and then another one for some lotion. So when you wash your hands, you know, you can put some lotion on right after. And what I was going to say is I had seen these kind of very similar ones at Target, those hand pumps, soap pumps, and they were like $15 each. So I was like, all right, I will pay $5 at Hobby Lobby, no problem. So we're just wrapping things up, kind of putting the final touches on things. This is what the shower curtain is looking like. I'm loving adding new color to the bathroom here. And then I also picked up this really pretty, it's very popular picture from Target. One of the other things I would also like to do is take out the white wooden or the faux wooden blinds that we currently have here right now and replace it with some Roman shades. So I'm just trying to find the right color I want to do, and then also paint the trim. Now, I don't know if I should paint the trim the same color as the bathroom. Even though it is a white, it's still a different color white than the trim around the rest of the house. So I'm a little undecisive about that one. And yeah, just adding some new Roman shades.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone.
A couple of things that still need to get done are, I want your guys' opinion on something. So I either am thinking of adding like a wooden frame around the mirror, or either just replacing the mirror altogether. So I'm not really sure, but what do you guys think? I have seen videos on people adding a frame around it, and I like it, but then I don't want it to to be something that I only like for a moment and then end up replacing it. So the other thing is, if I do replace the large mirror, let's say with a gold one, then the medicine cabinet, you know, has like the silver around it. So that's kind of my dilemma with that I'm not sure what to do, but that's one thing that still needs to get done. The other thing I still need to do is replace the toilet paper holder. And then what else? Oh, painting the frame around the window. I wanted to paint it the same color as the walls in here, but a lot of my family is saying that they like the way that this looks, so that's why I didn't do it so far in this video, because I'm undecisive. Honestly, I would say paint it, but so many people are like, no, it looks really good just with the natural wood. So what do you guys think? Does it look okay, or does it look like unfinished and it needs to be painted? I really need some help with this on what to do. I'm just so happy to have another room done and just be completed, going room by room. It's been something that I've been wanting to do for a while, is just tackle each room a little bit at a time. So thank you guys so much for watching.